Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Sometimes we need to change the author of blog posts in WordPress. We may need to show a different author instead of the one who actually added the post in WordPress, and there could be various personal and professional reasons for this. So to do this, you need to go to your WordPress admin dashboard, click on posts, and on the post screen you'll see the screen option at the top right hand side. So click on it to expand, then checkmark the box besides the author and then click on apply. Now scroll over the existing post and click on edit button on any of them in which you want to make changes. On the right side, click on the status and visibility to expand it. From various settings here, you'll see the author. From the drop down menu besides it, select any of the authors from this list. Now if you want to add an author in WordPress, then you can see and manage all users in your WordPress site by visiting the users page when logged in with your WordPress administrator account. Now save this post or publish it as per your requirement, and you will see that the author name will be displayed here in the WordPress post window. So this is how you can change the author of the post in WordPress easily using our simple steps.
I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.